put it into the movement or you put it into the workout.
Here's some interesting stuff, is that when you consciously control your breath, the executive functioning centers of the brain light up like a Christmas tree. When you lose control of your breath, the animalistic tendencies of us light up at the bottom of the brain. So you want to be making decisions, in the boardroom, in your mind, in the CEO center of your mind. You don't want to be making decisions in the mailroom. So as soon as you've lost control of your breath, everybody's different. It's just a matter of time, seconds, before patterns of movement become poor. Patterns of movement become poor. And you're thinking you should have joined chess club.